Summit Landscape is here today on this fine New England day with BestPLUS Lumber. As you can see, it's a little bit of a mess in the background. In a few hours, we'll have all these planting boxes installed. Stay tuned to see the final results, which will be a beautiful project altogether. Building some really cool sustainable raised planting beds using conventional flowers as well as like edible landscapes as well. Some really cool concepts. Kids love the berries. We're doing strawberries, blueberries, and those as well. As you can see, our crew's building up some courses here, get above grade, and then we'll be at the height, be a little bit lower than this. Using some timber lock screws. It's gonna be really nice. We're finally putting the topsoil in the planters. As you can see, we got the fabric, so that way it doesn't go out the joints. We are almost done. Our portion of the project starting to come together. Got our raised planters with BestPLUS Plastic Lumber. Some of the best stuff out there. And yeah, we're hours away from finish. Hopefully less than an hour.